This one's kind of hard to see.
See his eyes at the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah, he's moving around. There we go. See him moving?
Mm-hmm. That's his eye in the bottom left-hand corner, isn't it? Yeah, there he is.
He's like, get away from the light. See if I can find another one.
Big one.
Yeah, they're big now. It's hard to see them moving. He's moving.